in this session I will discuss about a getByRole. Okay, so in the getByRole we can pass many parameter. Okay, so we can access the attribute with explicit or implicit also. So let me show you. Okay, so this is your getByRole. So if just if I will go in getByRole, if you could see here, you can see you can pass here alert, you can pass here alert, a dialog box, application, article, banner. So these all the things will be accept in getByRole. How to use this? So you could see in the same, I'm just going to click on the again on the login button. So you can see we have a button and we will have a type equal to submit. Okay, so how to use getByRole? So this is your button. Okay, button, and you can just give here colon, and you could see all this type will also accept here. So I'll just give the curly braces type. Okay, type equal to, I will give you submit. Okay, so I'm just going to use this attribute. Okay, so type I have given the submit. If you have any other type except a submit, we can also use this as per the parameter what you were seeing over there. Okay, and now I'll just click. Okay, I'll just put on the click. I'll call the click. Okay, so I you can directly use this just for getByRole I am using here, so that's why I'm going to click again the submit. Okay, button. Okay, so let me execute again this test and I want to check this is working or not. So getByRole will accept multiple param. Okay, as per the attribute type you can use. Okay, so like we have used the button type and now you can see it's also working fine. Okay, if you want to check the report, please check it. Okay, so all the steps means getByRole is also working fine. Okay, so that's all in this session guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.